Hi, I'm Jason from BWS. Today, we'll be introducing our first tech/product review video. We're starting with something simple but effective, the product being panel clips. This is a mock-up of a sill section. Most panel techs and panel beaters will be used to this. They'll use these for their IMI/British Standard weld tests. What you will have on this mock-up or on the sill section is you need to be able to either spot weld, rivet, or even slot braze. Conventionally, to hold the panels together, you would use the old-fashioned mold grips adjustable at the bottom. You would then cut the panel. Well, that's not tight enough, so just get that a little bit tighter. Slightly too tight, and there you go. And then you'd have several of these mold grips along the panel, ensuring that panel is touching panel. One, the mold grips stick out, and two, as you touch the panel from front to back, you're actually creating an earth. So this being a very large earth. So from the conventional way, new products on the market, panel clips, you can see there, just with the pliers, see how it opens the jaws, let go, closes the jaws, nice and simply. You just add them on, flip that in. See how quick and easy it is. The main benefits of the panel clips, they don't get in the way. As you can see there, there's nothing up there. I can get my rivet gun in there. I can get my spot welding gun in there. Cost effective. For the price of one decent mold grips, you can get a set of pliers and a set of the clips. So in my opinion, the clips are the way to go for the future. I hope you enjoyed our first review. If you'd like us to review anything else, then please drop us a line. Thank you.